Alright, greatest brake world with a 2001 PC Cruiser. It's a little windy out here. Calipers off, tires up. I'm sorry. Car jack up and tires off. As you know how I start off all my videos with the tire up, tire off, and car jack up. If you can't do that much, do not attempt to do your own brakes. Take the caliper bolt off. This car needs a rotor as well. As you can see, it's tore up and scored really bad. Gonna put the piston back. Sorry for the noise, it's a little windy today. We need a bigger clamp. This one is too small. We gotta push this piston back. Nice and slow. New pad goes in, old pad out. It's a little stubborn, sometimes you gotta give it a little tap. Out. Sometimes you have to take the guard out. It's a very tight fit, as you can see. Do a little tap. Shouldn't be doing this much fighting, but a lot of stuff is a little stiff and a little old, so gotta show it a little bit of love sometimes. And this is a 14 size socket. It's a 14. Actually, I gotta take this back off. As you can see, I'll tell you why in a second. Little piece should be inside. The hub, how you doing? When you're done to start the car, step on it 5 to 8 times. Thank you. See you in the next job.